Today I again welcome you to your computer classes. Let's start. Today again we will continue with the previous chapter, that is input and output device. In the previous class we have learned about the input devices, but in today's class our today's topic is output devices. Today we are going to learn about the output devices. Today we will learn monitor and printer output device. Monitor and printer output device. Let's start. First we will start that what are the output devices. What are the output devices? We all know that the input devices are those which are used to give input to the computer. Same like that, the output devices are those which are used to display result. These are those devices which are used to display result after processing the given input. Which are used to display result after processing the given input. In this diagram it is clearly shown that like this is the picture, we want this as an output on the screen. We want this picture as an output on the screen. Basically this is our input. Now what we will do? First we will give this picture to our processing device, output processing device. We will give this information to our output device. This is the device, this is our output device. Basically here the processing done, here the processing of that picture done. Now after that, after processing, what happens? It gives this picture as a output on the screen. It gives that picture as a output on the screen. This is the output. Now you all see, this is the picture, input, then here processing, then here output. So we can say these are used to display the result or output after processing the given. I hope it's clear to everyone that what are the output devices. Now the first output device that we are going to learn is the monitor. The first output device is monitor. This is basically monitor and this is the screen of monitor. This is the screen of monitor. Monitor looks like a television. Monitor looks like a television, or we can say like a TV screen. Now what it does? It displays all results on the screen. It displays all results on the screen. It gives visual output. It gives visual output. What is the meaning of visual? Visual means the things that we can see, we can visualize, that are the visuals. So it gives the visual output. Here whatsoever is written or shown we can see with our eyes, that is why we are saying visual. So we also called the monitor as visual display unit. Another name of monitor is visual display unit, or we can say VDU. VDU. I hope it's clear what is the working of monitor. Let's start with the second output device, that is printer. Now what is the use of printer? It allows to transfer pictures or text from computer on a sheet of paper. I again repeat, it allows to transfer pictures or text from computer on a sheet of paper. The output that we get on a paper is called printout or hard copy. That output is known as printout or hard copy. Now let's see how printer works. This is the diagram Here we want this picture which is shown on the screen as a output on a paper. We want that this picture should be on a paper. So what we will do? We will give print command, that is this picture is our input. We give print command on the monitor. What happens? Then this command goes here to the printer. This command goes here to the printer. Here the processing done. Here the processing done. After processing, what we will get? We will get this picture as output. After processing, we will get this picture as output on a sheet of paper. On a sheet of paper. So we can say that we can transfer our pictures on a sheet of paper with the help of printer. With the help of printer. I hope it's clear to all of you. Today we have learnt about two output devices, that is monitor and printer. In the next class we will learn other output devices. So stay tuned with us. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.